Hi there, Vlookup is over. Well, let me talk a new function which was introduced in just few days ago, 28th of August 2019, named Xlookup function. He has replaced the most popular function in Excel, the Vlookup function. The Vlookup function is still available, but he has some limitations. Number 1, it returns an approximate number. Number 2, working on only right side, we cannot extract from the left side. Number 3, it has argument the column index number, which is problematic when copying our formula across. Let's look at Xlookup function with just a lot of advantages. Xlookup function has 5 arguments, but Vlookup function had 4 arguments. Xlookup function by default returns an exact match. It can extract from the right side or the left side. It does not have an column index number inserted. It has return array, and if you insert column in that table array, well, the result is not affected like in the case of Vlookup function. Let's see an example. I have a first name and last name, and then I have a student codes, reading, writing and math score. I would like to extract first from the right side. I will be using the student code as a lookup value, and I will be typing is equal to Xlookup, and because I am using Office 365 with Office Insider, the first argument is the lookup value, and the lookup value is student code. I locked it by F4 function because I am copying to the right side, and then it asked to me a lookup array. The lookup array will be entire column, arrow down F4 to lock it, and comma, and finally it asked me about the return array, which used to be the column index number in the lookup function. Because I am extracting the reading, I will be selecting the first value under the reading, shift control down, and then I hit F4 to lock this cell, and then I close the bracket and enter. Here is the result of reading score. I am able to see the reading score. I can copy and paste the right side. Then I insert the column in the original table. I'm going to insert control plus to insert my Xlookup function is not affected. Control minus to delete the Xlookup function is not affected. Another advantage of Xlookup function is that I can extract from the left side of the lookup column. I'm going to extract the first and last name. I will be typing is equal to Xlookup, and lookup value is student code. Press F4 to lock it, and comma, and my lookup array is student code. Shift control and down, comma, and my return array first name, and select entire column, and press F4 to lock it and close the bracket, and here is the result. I can extract the left side of lookup column. I can copy and paste, and it's just working fine. I can insert the column, press enter. There is no effect of Xlookup, and press delete. There is no effect of Xlookup function. Also, if you have any further queries regarding Excel, different functions and creating dashboard, you can reach me out on java.trg@gmail.com. I have also put my email and Facebook page link in the description below. Take care guys, I will be back again with a new video on Excel and its function. Stay tuned.